Good afternoon, yogis. Sunflower here. Glad you took a minute to spend on your mat today with me. We're going to come into mountain pose. Take a deep breath. Take your arms all the way to the sky. Take your hands, interlace them, and take your palms to the sky. Now I want you to take a small twist, a micro twist over to the right with your torso, and take a breath. Just breathing, becoming present, focused on your day at hand. Come back forward. Open your arms up to Prana Mudra. Open in your heart to whatever it has to offer for the day. If we don't open ourselves up, we don't know what's available to us. Take a deep breath. Take your hands back up. Interlace them again, palms facing to the sky. Now I want you to take a micro twist over to the left, just being mindful. This helps create love in our inner digestive tracts. Just giving it a little loving support. Breathing. One more breath here. Come back forward. Release your fingers and come sit down into Utkatasana chair pose here. Sink down into your heels, lift your toes up. Embody this. There are 3 points to any posture, any asana pose. There's a set point, find your alignment, and then there's a recommitment back to the breath. And then, most important part is trusting that your body has the intelligence to do with it what it does. Take a deep breath. Because number 2, when we commit to something in life, we fall for everything. Come back up, mountain pose, bring your hands down to your heart center, Anjali Mudra. Take a deep breath. Today, we commit to our breath, knowing that it creates everything we need in life. That pause, that reflection, so that we can become responsive instead of reactionary in life. That breath is your catalyst. Through this afternoon flow and in life, I invite you to take that deep breath and to take that pause. Take a deep breath. Bring your arms all the way to the sky. And like a waterfall, we're going to fold it down. Let it hang right here. Bring your hands, interlace them from elbow to elbow. Put one bend at a knee at a time. And let's just surrender down right here. Letting go of the day thus far. Recommitting to our breath. Feeling more aligned with us. Take our hands back down to the ground. Come up halfway. And meet me in a full plank. Set up. Commit. Take a deep breath. And come down as low as you can, all the way to the mat. Bring your tops of your feet down to the mat. Bring your hands out in front of the mat. Your elbows will be parallel with your shoulders. And we're going to push up into a sphinx here. Breathing. Becoming aware. Notice what thoughts arise today. Yoga is the invitation to set you up for meditation. Allowing things to come and go. Allowing those pauses. And as you inhale, I want you to really bolster your exhales and listen for them. Bring your torso back down. Bring your hands back to your shoulders. Bring your feet into your sit bones, your sacrum, and push up to a full cobra here. Breathing. Come back, curl your toes under, and meet me in downward dog. And let's pedal it out. One heel down at the time. Noticing what you're committing to right here. Take your right foot all the way to the sky. Take it down that middle line and hover. One breath, one touch. Take it back. Breathe. And bring it all the way to the front of your mat. Your left heel will be off the ground here. We're going to come up into our crescent lunge, expressing it. Opening our arms out to that prana mudra. Becoming open and present to what the day has to offer us today. Taking a breath and knowing that you are the captain of your day. How you embody it matters. Bring your arms back up. Breathing. Bring your hands all the way open to the left. Warrior 2 here. Being mindful. Your gaze, your drishti's over that right middle finger. Focusing. Take your left arm behind your back and reverse your warrior. Breathing. Feeling that whole side body stretch. Bring your right hand down. Look down at the ground. Bring your left foot in one step. Breathing, focusing on you. Take your left hand to your hip here, and we're going to extend our left arm out and bring it down into triangle here. Taking our left hand to the sky. Come back up, reverse your warrior. And like a cartwheel, bring it down. Meet me in plank and chaturanga. Breathing, expanding. Meet me in downward dog. Left foot to the sky. Bring your left foot to the front of the mat and bring it up. Crescent lunge. Focusing on your breath, opening up to prana mudra. Opening that heart space to the sky. Coming back up. Open it up to the right for warrior 2. Breathing. Come up a baby step with that right foot. Your right hand will be on your hip. Your palm opens up, bringing it down to triangle here. Expanding that right hand to the sky. Breathe. You got this. Come all the way back up, reverse your warrior. And cartwheel it to the ground for full plank. And coming back up to hero pose. Come off the wrist for a minute, roll them out. Finding what feels good. Noticing how we woke up today. How did you encourage yourself when you woke up today? Did you tell yourself, I've got this? This is my day. Take a deep breath. Take your hands all the way to the sky. Now come up onto your toes here in the back. Little adjustment. And take your right hand down to your heel. If you'd like to keep your heel on the ground, you can. Anybody at home, if you want to do camel at home and you can't, put your hand just back behind your back if you can't touch your heels. It's always a modification. So this hind body is our modification today for camel. And if you'd like a few other adjustments, we're going to flow this like a feminine energy flow. Just 3 breaths, so it's fun. Come up on your heels. I like to stretch my toes out a little. Bring your right hand down, your left arm to the sky, and then take a breath. And we're going to swap hands and allow our energy to flow this. Yes, breathe. Deep breaths. Embody it. Bringing it home. 2 more full flows. You got it. 1 more. And bring it back home. If you don't have much time, always take 10 minutes for yourself. 15 minutes, whatever you have. Go inward. The only way to create the best version of us every day is to take time for self. Knowing that it's up to us to learn how to treat people in the world. And until we learn how to treat ourselves, it's hard to do that. So take a deep breath with me with intention. Bring your hands up to your center heart. We're going to end it right here today. And my prayer for you today is for a compassionate heart. Namaste, yogis. And thank you for allowing Sunflower to lead you today. If you like the yoga flow, you can like and subscribe. That would be great. And tell me what you'd like to hear or see next. Thank you.